Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can see the followers of the page, or you can say your page. So make sure that you are logged in as your Facebook page. If you don't know how to do this, you will just click on this profile icon over here, and then you will click on this see all profiles, and from here you can switch between your profile and your Facebook pages. So I'm on my Facebook page, and now beneath your name you will see this 31 likes and 30 followers. So you will click on this one right here, and it will bring the persons who are actually following you. Okay, so as you can know that people now choose to actually follow your page or like your page, so there will be a little bit difference, but mostly will be the same. And from there you can also block these. If I want to block this one, I will just click on these three dots here, and here it says block, and I will just click block, and this person will get blocked from my page. So I hope guys that this video will be useful to you. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.